Set a drop point for your team, soldier.
It's gonna be a really quick game. Out of the way.
Team under me.
There's 18,000 people here.
I didn't land on a gun.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Clear to engage all targets.
There's one right behind me. In that corner.
I got an RPG.
Movement here.
He's shattered. Got him.
He
left me here.
Enemy located.
Okay.
He's 1 HP.
Fuck is he?
He's just running the corner. He's just booking it.
This guy probably got back up.
What the fuck is that guy doing in that corner?
Good wipe, good wipe.
Can you close that door?
Gas is
All I
closing.
had was a thumper.
You know what, Justin? I don't know how you didn't lose that fight.
Just now,
The thumper.
I'm wondering how many chairs do you go through every time you're playing video games?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, the chair's fine. I just don't have armrests anymore.
I meant like because the balls.
I just found that dead
Sweat.
man with a thumper.
Oh, sweat.
like,
Flipping out of his chair.
like.
I found a UAV.
Friendly UAV overhead.
But what happened to your armrests?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Gears 2v2s.
Yeah, I'm trying to get him. I can't get any clear shots. He just keeps ducking his head.
Got an enemy.
Good UAV.
Keep an eye on the UAV. I just found it. It's just chilling.
One's floating in.
I want that LC-10.
There. I just did something, and if I get in trouble, oh fucking well. My first month, they just fucking fire my ass right here. That'd be hilarious.
Movement here.
That would not be that funny.
It wouldn't.
I'm gonna push towards Justin's marker and get some mission.
You've got a loadout drop
The
inbound.
last guy on his team at the moment. I just saw him in that window again.
Obviously, though, the last thing I do.
The bullet.
You're just horny on, so I can ping. That's the last thing I do.
One's down.
Far away. Over here, maybe floating.
I swear I hear someone in our building.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Alright.
should be just a little-
I need armor. Is there any buy? We have no buys, dude. Really?
Negative.
Give me some plates here.
They just bought a loadout.
Got movement.
Thank you. We getting shot at? We alright?
Found an assault rifle.
Yeah, there's about a loadout over there.
XM4 down here and a,
Can you ping the XM4, please?
yeah. Where did I see it? Oh, I lied.
Found a sniper rifle.
Oh, wait, no, here it is, here it is.
I'm gonna take it anyway.
Oh, it's right here.
Isn't the XM4 that weird modular 90s space gun?
No, it's just like an M4.
Maybe. In this game, it's like
I
an
have no
M4.
idea.
Wow.
Relocated. Disregard.
Trash, you remember? Come on, it
Target
was in
marked.
like fucking all the fucking early aughts games.
Alright, let's see if we can't snag our ship before we sneak out of here. They're fighting past our loadout.
The show I watched where they use something that kind of looks like an M4 as well in space. So probably.
No, it wasn't actually a space gun. I just mean it was futuristic looking. It was called
Oh.
like, it just like it was an assault rifle that you could like take the barrel out and put it and make it an LMG, or take it and make it a sniper rifle.
I got my Craig.
And also it had a grenade launcher version, I think. And it was like a real gun, but the U.S. military didn't want to do it.
Oh my god, I got so low on the side of that fence.
Oh, God.
I hit him 3 times with no armor.
Knocked him.
There you go. Nice.
Got an enemy. Less than
He
50
bled out on
enemies
purpose. His
alive.
teammate's floating in.
Target here.
Target marked.
Broke him behind that tree.
Wipe their team.
We're out of time.
Teams
Drop
up, teams.
contract.
He's on the other side of the wall right
Gas
here.
is inbound. Marking new
XM8.
safe zone.
Nice wipe. I need air ammo bad.
An enemy team is hunting
Yeah,
you.
the
Stay
Heckler
alert.
Hawk XM8 system.
Oh, the XMA. I remember that from the.
Yeah,
past
it's in
games.
like everything, right? Like and like you could turn it into a bunch of different stuff.
Any custom LC10s? No?
I'm using a map one still. I got 23 AR rounds in my name. We can
back.
maybe find something here.
I have a lot. I have max ammo.
You do have a lot?
Yeah, I'll give you some.
Okay. Yeah, I might have to steal some from you in a second.
Give him a little sugar.
I've got 1 kill. That shit this game.
Hearing missions. That one.
Bounty target has been marked.
Yeah, I'm
Kill
gonna
'em.
get some ammo for me if you can. Thank you. Woo! Taking sniper fire. I just got hit.
Behind us at the fence.
Yep. Honestly, he's outside zone.
Oh my.
Sniper in sniper tower.
Oh, I'm their bounty, that's why. Honey me.
I fucked that guy up in a sniper tower.
Shattered.
Gas is closing in.
Nice.
I'm gonna make moves now. Firehouse kind of worries me on my left.
Still getting sniped at.
Yeah, I think I'm dead. Yeah. Fuck. Sniper's just on this. From a billion
Everyone to the
miles away,
safe
they
zone
don't
now.
He don't miss.
Got sniper from a different team. I swear to God.
SMG
Do you know what
mark.
that's from? I
I
think,
would,
it's from, like,
yeah, so you got time, Travis. You can come back. I got an LC10 on me, Travis.
I think that's from a Snoop Dogg interview talking about Drake.
25 are left. Stay sharp out there.
Back of Firehouse is firing at you, it looks like. Shattered him with a bullet. Fuck.
You being shot at by a firefighter? You monster.
There's an M60 and an LC10 in this building, Travis.
Vendor located.
Be good if we could get there and get an ammo box. I only have 60 rounds.
I'm down to 60 with 10 spare. My LC10's gonna have to come in hot.
They're still sniping at us.
Dude, what a bunch of fucking
Fire
bugs.
sale is active. Buy station costs are adjusted.
I'm just. Okay.
Target mark.
He's almost knocked. Fuck, he's a bullet.
Yeah.
I'm out of ammo. I have 12 rounds. It's not worth my fight anymore.
Looks like we need to go buy.
Yep.
It's gonna be a hot spot right
We
now.
lost the
It's a
target.
fire sale.
Vendor located.
There's a team on the way right now.
Okay.
Should try to get to the building at least.
I mean, I can get the munitions for us.
I can dead in with an LC10. Looks like they're busy.
The only buy station. Fuck. Helicopter in the air? What the fuck is this game?
I got heartbeats to our
Fire
left.
sale
I guess
done.
that's a
Prices
chopper
are back to
probably.
normal.
I think it's one bullet.
Enemy located.
Woo! I'm getting fragged, I think.
Broke the guy. So you should be safe now. I'm out of ammo though.
Yep. I depleted my ammo down just the Craig.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Pistol marked.
Any resettable red
Bison
crates?
on there. Bullfrog. Whatever.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
One bullet.
Where does this person come from?
Another guy next to
On
Travis.
right now. Imagine being that bad, you moron.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Truck on the move.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
You want to try and push loadout or ammo box now because that truck I think came from by.
Our only hope. It's literally our only hope.
Stopping it looks like.
Taking fire from uphill, south somewhere I think. I think they're next to buy, dude.
I don't think AR ammo is gonna happen.
All right, LC10 ending it is.
I have 32 bullets on my name. Good luck, boys.
Hopefully somebody with full
Small
AR
caliber here.
runs into this building and we just LC10 them and take a shit. Hopefully.
Enemy UAV
You
overhead.
don't take his shoes?
If I could take his shoes, I would.
Here, Travis, I got a plate for you.
Could you imagine if you could take someone's shoes in that game?
Found armor.
Less than 10 enemies remain.
You do that in PUBG, so it's like the same shit.
No, I meant
Oh,
like,
yeah.
H1Z1.
like, and then the rest of the game they like run a little slower.
Top hill is fucking me up. They're just staring at us.
You're losing ground.
As they should. I mean, there's what, 10 other teams? 9?
3.
3.
Well, 2 other besides us.
Got an enemy.
I was trying to take this building because I knew those dudes had to push at us, but they're going up the hill.
I think I'm about to pick up a 1911 as my secondary. I have no ammo.
Just watch one slide into this area.
Heading out.
Yep, there's their team.
You know what? Let's just pray for zone. Let's just pray for zone.
Relocate.
The team in that building now.
That building definitely is not going to stay in zone. Guys, far.
Never mind.
Oh, they're out.
See
Kill
that?
this
I think
motherfucker.
that's their team.
Never mind.
Maybe.
Oh,
I-
fuck.
Somebody
This guy's
relatively
free. Someone's got a
close.
Craig. This guy's free.
I have no
I don't
Craig.
know.
He's sniping. He's sniping. Watch your head. The guy that Travis marked up the road, 290. And there's a truck in play still. This is beautiful, dude.
One of nightmares in the game.
Got an enemy.
That guy's moving left slowly.
Target marked.
Zone might go up that hill. Sucks. A lot of these guys would be able to probably kill if we had the ammo.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that guy I just now had my gun. He would be dead.
I got an assist elimination just now. Which means the guy up at the buy station just died. He's the last person I put any bullets into. Alright, the truck's off map now, so that's good for us. Come on, zone. Come on.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
The triple. They're getting sniped at, this guy.
Hostile.
Oh, they're just getting lit up right now. Watching them. Oh my god.
Target
Got
marked.
an enemy.
There are concerned because the hill might shift. Oh, what a fucking ending.
Did you finish?
Relocating. Never mind. Got an enemy.
This guy right here is
Never
booking.
mind.
Understood.
Hostile marked.
Close, 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 close.
Enemy located.
You've got
Broken,
gas
he's broken.
moving in.
Is he in?
He's not in. He's heartbeatable. He's right outside our building, northwest side.
Got an enemy.
I think he's below the,
Northwest side.
I think he's below the window, Travis, that you're at.
Killed one, the other one's.
Bitches.
Oh, shit.
Let's use AR.
Hey guys, get some plates down here.
Just letting you loot him. I didn't do anything.
I'm dropping some AR. I'm giving everyone like 60.
I have plenty. Don't worry about me.
Jab, grab this.
Found some mid-caliber.
Movement here.
I don't need AR. Take it.
You need plates, Travis? Who needs plates? Anything?
You've got gas
got it.
inbound. Safe
Got
zone
the SMG
relocated.
sniper.
Alright, I got 7 plates. Let me know.
Only
Target marked.
5 left.
To his right,
Yeah, his
3v1.
teammates up there. That's
3v1.
It. He's up there behind the shack somewhere.
Gas is closing in.
Yeah, I see him peeking. There he is.
Target here.
Primary objective complete. Good work out there.
Game, first game. That was a scrappy fucking, like, we had no ammo.
I'm not too proud. I feel kind of dirty about considering that a win for me personally.
Hey,
If zone didn't push us, we lost.
yeah, zone definitely helped. I mean, that and that guy delivered that satchel and ammo for us.